Hello and welcome. I've got here this Alpha i6820 motorhome from Dethleffs. It's got a rear lounge. It's 748 centimeters long, 233 width, standing height 208 centimeters. If you're tall, pretty good. 304 centimeters overall height. It's going to cost 190,000 euros. What this vehicle can offer is that a large rear lounge, and let's see if we can get some more light in here. Any more light in here? That's a little bit more light in here. Any more light in here? Oh, look at that. Hey, I'm doing well here. Right, come to the front. Where is the steering wheel and the passenger seat? You've got to go through there, but if you want to get into bed, you come up through using the ladder. If you weigh more than 120 kilos, then you're out of luck. There is where that's where you can drive from. You have to put the seats down. You have to put the seats down in order to get the bed down. That's quite normal. So we'll have a look at it in its living state, because this is really what I want to show you. There is the window in the roof as well, and a window on this side. Of course, all windows have a blackout bit, and this bit, that's your mosquitiera, stops the flies getting in what's supposed to. Some seem to get in anyway, but under the bed we've got deep wardrobe, very deep wardrobe. Actually, I prefer having a pull-out thing there, and there you go. And there, that's a lot of space. You get your fuse box down there as well. I like having the fuses in easy reach, because something always goes. Large shower, very large shower, with a central drainage and outdoor heating. And over on the other side we've got the toilet. I thought I turned all the lights on, but I didn't. Oh no, I've turned them off now. Doesn't matter, I can't find them. And in the double floor there's lots of storage. We've got the water tank down there, we've got access to the batteries, and I've also got access to the boiler. I'll show you in here. That's your battery compartment. Now you could get a stack of lithium in there, in my opinion at least 600, I would have thought, ampere hours of lithium in something like that. Now, I mean, obviously it's going to cost a fair whack of cash, but if you think spending a lot of time off grid, then you'll be grateful of that. Deep storage in the double floor. Heating there. Kitchen with a curved look, doing gently curved though. Here, slide out with the bins in them. 3 burners. Here we've got the sink, storage above it, large extractor fan in here. There it is. Storage. Not much of a ledge on that though. The ledge stops things falling out. Well, sorry, it doesn't stop them falling out, but it might help prevent them falling out. Storage things in here, and I quite like this way of holding. So you've got your washing up liquid there. I'm surprised nobody's pinched that actually, and I think that's okay. I like to have storage where things are absolutely held. I can't imagine that unless you sort of did a loop over or something. I don't think that's going to actually fall out the vehicle. Obviously, it comes with a fridge as well. There you go, and there's a freezer and a grill. So you can do a pizza in there, but you can't do a chicken, for example. Storage in the roof, lovely large skylights. This one here has got this Truma Aventa. Bear in mind that will only work on hookup. It won't work when you're off grid, unless you get a stack of lithium and cover the roof in solar. very large lounge here at the back, and a very nice feature of this lounge is here. It's this, which is a deep storage pit there. Pit? Yeah, that's a good word, isn't it? Yeah, that'll do. Television over there in the corner. One of my viewers, Jeremy, said to me that you can't get a TV with A-class for motorhomes. When I asked why are they all in the worst possible category, particularly, you know, in a motorhome where you're so limited by electricity. So why is that? Anyway, this one's only E, which is somewhat better than others that I have seen. So if you see anything on televisions with for motorhomes, that is, at the top class A, do let us know, and the make as well, who's doing it. That would be a very curious thing. Remember, there was a lady who used to she had a series that she watched, and she was parked near me in Italy, but she had to get power, so this was off grid, so she had to leave the engine running for some time to get this, to watch her favorite series once a week on the television. You know, okay, you can charge it via the engine, but that is not, in my opinion, the way to do things, unless you've got one of these particularly good charging systems. There's a French company name which now escapes me, and they're not even here this year, so I can't get the name. But there are means of doing it so it'll charge really quickly. But a normal engine charge of a 12-volt battery, which is from 12, and you want to take it to 14.3, you're looking at 8 hours running, something along those lines. I mean, that's highly approximate. Window, not window, what's that called? It's a mirror. It's a mirror. I was wondering why I was looking inside as well. There's the score on the electricity, the water, and you can turn the lights off as you come out. You've got the time up there, that's correct, and you turn the lights off when you leave the vehicle. These ones will come out after you've gone out. We've got a net in the door, as you'd expect. Let's have a look around the outside. So the problem with the rear lounge is the size of the garage. Not getting a really big garage in here. That gives you an idea. Down here you've got your electro block and access to your fuses and storage once more within the double floor. There, I don't know what's coming out, but that is the Truma frost guard that will release, dump your water when the internal temperature gets below 3 degrees. If it's in the garage, then it's likely to get to 3 degrees quicker than if it's in the habitation area. I'll just show you what it looks like approximately with the... Oh, I can't show you approximately actually, because this isn't the same type of vehicle. It's not the same type of vehicle, but this is more or less what they are. The front be something like this, okay, with the bed up. I say something. It's not the same type of vehicle, okay. I'm gonna make that one clear. Hope I made it clear. So there you go. That is the new Alpa i6820-2. That's an awful name. Whoever came up with that one, I don't know. They could have called it the Dethleffs Alpa, for example, with a rear lounge. Now that would have been a good name for a vehicle. Here's my friend Toby, who's got a channel called Camper Toby, and I see him every day because I've got his mat in my motorhome as I walk in. Do you want to say some words, Toby, to the viewer?
Hello, good morning, Alan.
Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Hi.
And oh, you've got the same sort of equipment as me.
Of course. You okay?
Yeah, very good. Thank you.
Nice,
Thank you.
Very nice.
So I'll finish for now on this one. Alpa from Dethleffs, new version. Thanks for watching.